Starting out on YouTube don't require fancy animation or expensive tools. There is a simple video style getting millions of views every single month, and most creators are overlooking it, and that is stick figure animation. If you have been paying close attention, you will notice that channels using this simple stick figure animation are getting millions of views in their video every single month. Look at this channel here. This channel are doing very well, getting millions of views every single month. Some of them are making over 5,000 US dollars a month, and this video format still work. What makes this even more exciting is how easy these videos are easy to create and how versatile the format is. You can use this stick figure animation video format to blow up any channel like motivation, self-improvement, finance and education. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create a viral stick animation from scratch, even if you have never uploaded a video before. Everything starts with the foundation, the script. For scripting, we're going to use ChatGPT and a simple prompt like paste this prompt on ChatGPT. I'm generating a 30 seconds video, but if you want a long form video, you can change the time duration. Once your script is generated, read it out loud. If it doesn't sound natural when you read it, it won't sound natural to your audience. Make small edits. This tiny tweak make a difference in your video. Next, we're going to turn this script into a voiceover. One of the best tools for voiceover is 11 Labs, and choose the one suitable for this kind of video because the voice sets the emotional tone for the entire video. Personally, I like voices that sound confident, calm, and motivational. Once you find voice that fits your style, generate the audio and download it. The next step is to generate our visuals. Here we go. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate the prompt for the stick figure animation. Go to YouTube, play one of the video, then screenshot the stick figure animation. So go to ChatGPT and upload the image you just screenshot, then paste this prompt. Ask ChatGPT to give you concise prompt. Copy the prompt for the stick figure animation that ChatGPT have generated for you. Paste it on document because we are going to use it in the next step. Then go back to the charts where you generated the script, then paste this prompt. I'm using stick figure animation as visual for the script above. This is the base prompt. Then you now paste the base prompt. Hit generate. When the stick figure prompts have been generated, then enter this prompt again to make the visual more engaging. Add key text from the script with the stick figure animation, and the text should be in orange and black color. Moving on, we have generated our stick figure animation prompt for our video. Next step is the generation of stick figure animation. We are going to use Whisk Lab. So go to your browser and type Whisk AI. So Whisk AI is from Google. It is an image generation that can generate unlimited images, and it's totally free for now. So after that, just click on the first link, then you enter to take you here. Here you now click on this add image to add the base image. Remember that we screenshot one of the stick figure animation, so select it and put open file, so it will analyze the image. Then after that, you go to your ChatGPT, all those image prompt, so you copy it one after the other and you paste your prompt here. Before you run the prompt, click here, select 16:9, which is the landscape. But if you are creating for TikTok video, select the portrait. Now our image is generated. But if you are not satisfied with the image generated, you can click here to generate more of the image. Now follow the same process to generate the rest of the images. I'll just fast forward this place. See all the images we have generated. To download each image, click on the image, then click on this download arrow button here to download it to your computer. So I'll just repeat the same process to all the images. Make sure you download the images that resonate with your script. The next step is to put everything together. Now comes the fun part, bringing everything to life with visuals. That is the editing part of the video, and we are going to use CapCut. You can use any other editing tools you know how to use. This is the first interface of CapCut when you open CapCut. To get started, you click on create project here. But I'm not going to create another project because I already created project for this particular video. So I'm going to just open it here. right here, right up here, you see import. This is where you import all your files, the voiceover you generated, all the images you generated, which I have done already. And down here is the timeline. So you drag the voiceover into the timeline, then you impute all the images you generated into the timeline, then you arrange it according to the voiceover, and the voiceover is playing. Then here you add the transition, the effects. If you want to add subtitle, you add subtitle. But if you don't know how to use CapCut, I'm not going to go into detail of how to do this thing, but if you don't know how to use CapCut, go to YouTube, search how to use CapCut to edit video. YouTube will give you a lot of videos that you can learn how to use CapCut to edit video. So after you have arranged your video and you are okay with what you have done, then you click on export. When you click on export, it will bring you to this interface. Then click on export again, and this video is going to be exported into your laptop. This is what we got.
You don't wake up one day transformed. You build it piece by piece, choice by choice. Self-improvement isn't a massive breakthrough. It's the quiet decision to try again. It's waking up 20 minutes earlier. It's choosing discipline over distraction. It's doing the hard thing, especially when no one is watching. Growth feels uncomfortable. It stretches you. It tests you. Sometimes it makes you doubt yourself. But that discomfort, that's proof you're expanding beyond who you were yesterday. And the results won't always show up right away. The scale may not move. The applause may not come. The progress may feel invisible. But every small action compounds. Every step matters. Every effort builds strength you can't yet see. Believe in your potential, not because it's easy, but because it's yours. You are capable of more than your current results suggest. So today, don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for perfect timing. Take one small step forward. One decision, one action. Start now.
So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, and if there's anything you want me to do,